man accused of raping and robbing a woman running by Finley Stadium was on trial today.
A jury was seated and opening statements got underway. News Channel 9's Brianna Arredondo is live at Hamilton County Court with the latest. Brianna?
The day one of this trial has actually just wrapped up for the evening. And one of the last witnesses to take the stand was an investigator who processed the defendant, Devontavious Bryant's scene. He found a used condom and a condom wrapper while he was there. Also on the stand this afternoon was a forensics examiner who did a rape kit on the victim. The jury, it took about 3 hours to seat them before testimony was underway this afternoon, and that jury is not being sequestered. The state argues that they have enough evidence to link the defendant to the crime, and one of the key pieces of evidence is a yellow hoodie, and the defense is saying that someone gave Bryant that yellow hoodie, and so they're claiming that someone else did the crime.
Does that sound familiar?
Devontavious Bryant says he is not guilty of raping and robbing a woman jogging 2 years ago. Today, it's up to the jury of 6 women and 8 men to decide his fate. Prosecutors say Bryant gave the victim 2 choices, giving him sex or taking off her pants. The defense says it was someone else. Bryant is accused of raping and robbing a woman jogging by Finley Stadium 2 years ago. Today, the driver who picked up the victim took the stand.
She was crying and kind of shaking, breathing really hard. It's terrified, I guess you'd say.
Did she indicate how long ago it had happened?
She said it just had happened.
Just had happened?
Yeah.
The state played the 911 recording. During it, you can hear the victim crying, very distressed in the background. And the jury also heard from the dash cam video in which you could hear the police officer talking to the victim, trying to get her account of what happened. Last week, we told you about Bryant's co-defendant in this case, Deacon Williams. He was agreed to a plea deal, and he was sentenced to 10 years in prison for the same crime, rape and robbery. And at this time, the victim is expected to testify. The trial should last anywhere between 2 and 3 days, according to both sides from what we're hearing, and trial testimony will continue tomorrow morning. Reporting live at the Hamilton County Courthouse, Brianna Arredondo, News Channel 9.